What is going on, YouTube? Slow Car Repairs. Today we're working on this 2023 Dodge Charger, and we're doing a differential fluid change on this car. So this type of fluid we got here, Valvoline Advanced Gear Oil, 75 weight -90. So you want to get your car jacked up as evenly as possible. All right, so you come under the car. Once it's jacked up, you have a bucket under here to catch your fluid. Right here where my finger's at is your fill plug, and then right below it, right there, is your drain plug. You want to go ahead and get the correct tool here. This is the tool that you're gonna need in order to loosen up that fill plug and drain plug. I already went ahead and broke this free. So one thing you want to make sure you do is always make sure you break free the fill plug before the drain plug, because if the fill plug is stripped or if it's stuck and you already drained the fluid out, then I mean you're out of luck. So always make sure you break free that fill plug first, and then the drain plug at the bottom. Like I said, I've already broken them free, so that's loose to take off, and also that drain plug is loose as well. Go ahead and remove this, drain that fluid out, take this plug out so I can refill it. Oh man, that's dark. Look how dark that fluid is. You'll see how light the new fluid is. You can compare it to how dark this fluid is, and this definitely was due for a change. So just let all that fluid drain out. Once it's done draining, go ahead and put that drain plug back and start filling up. Go ahead and reinstall it right there. All right. With this Valvoline, it has this nozzle to where you don't need a transfer pump. You can just cut this top off, cut the tip off the top here, and you fill it just like this. You see the excess oil pouring out, so we know that we're full of oil. So you want to just wait until that kind of stops. It comes to like a small little drip, but pretty much once it stops, you'll be good. You see the fluid has stopped dripping now, so you're good to get your fill plug and thread your fill plug back in, tighten it down. Remember not to over tighten it, because you're gonna have to take this back off when you resurface it again. So once you got all that, the job is finished. All right, so that's it. That's how you replace the differential fluid or change the fluid on a Dodge Charger and Chrysler 300s. Until next time, like, share, subscribe, comment any questions you might have. Slow Car Repairs. Peace.